Welcome to Glow Treatment Studio, and hello to all of the beautiful new faces here. I am so excited to officially welcome you to Glow Treatment Studio, which is now servicing the Charleston area. Whether you've been following my journey or if you're new here, I am so happy to have you here. This is your space to learn, grow, and glow with real skincare advice, skincare education, treatment updates, and exclusive offers. After relocating to Charleston, I wanted to create a calm, results-driven space where skincare feels personal, not rushed or transactional. Glow Treatment Studio is a home-based treatment studio, just like back in California, where every treatment is customized to your skin goals. I specialize in corrective skincare, so corrective facials, chemical peels, acne boot camps, bridal glow-ups, all of the things. Everything is truly a customized experience here. What makes Glow Treatment Studio different is my approach. Every client receives a custom skincare regimen and treatment plan and skincare treatments. They also receive skincare education that fits into their real life. You'll always know why we're doing a certain treatment, why you're using certain skincare products, as well as how to maintain your skin outside of seeing me face to face. My goal is for you to leave here glowing and confident in your skin inside and out. And let's not forget cared for. I actually do care about my clients, and I am here to help you keep that glow under control all year round. Whether you are a bride, a busy mom, or a military service member, Glow Treatment Studio has a spot available for you.